reviewing the design elements lecture today. We talked about images, lists, page design, font sizes, fonts themselves, subheadings, and page designs chart usage over the lecture. I will be touching upon images, their coherence and appearance, lists, their structure, numbers versus bullets argument, and the page design, where headers should be consistent. Image and content support is important. The goal is to limit text and support it with images. If they don't support each other, the listener would have a hard time understanding. The left side shows a difference in visuals, where how bullets and numbers will be shown, which supports the text. And the right side shows how you could create them, using arrows and text. An example needed improvement would be seen on the left side. The image is not utilizing a white space, and it doesn't really support the text. In this example, we could see that there are two images. One's slightly larger and one's small. People in a room where one is presenting, they might not be able to see the image on the left side. If this was split into two different slides, maybe it will be clearer for the listener to view the image, where the image could be larger and the content split into two pieces. Here's an example of the slides split into two. Moving on to lists, they should be grammatically and structurally consistent. In this example, we could see that one has to choose between a noun, whether it should be an if or else statement. It's not really consistent. In this example, we could see that the bullets versus numbering choice was wrong. It should be a bullet list because it's not a procedural list. Here we could see that all items have capital letters. Because they're not sentences, they should be lowercase. In page design, we have to have consistent headings. They should be the same size, or they should be getting smaller and smaller as their examples or their subheadings. This is an example of the first one, the design lecture. This is a second example where it's a heading for an example, but it seems like as if it's a new topic. And this is a third example. This is wrong because it's a different font, different size, different style than the others. These should be consistent across each other. And if it's a title for an example, it should be a smaller title, or it should identify that it's a subtopic under the topic itself. Thank you for your time.